Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to delete your screen rant account. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, you can delete your account by using only email format. Okay, first of all you need to compose an email format you can see on your screen. This is just only example. You can take help from ChatGPT, or you can like self, or you can also compose the email by using a self method. In the email you need to mention each and everything, why you want to cancel your account, why, what is the reason, and you can also ask a proof of cancellation of account deletion. Once your email is done, you need to send this email at this email address, like data@wellnetic.com. okay, so you can send this email at this email address, and once they will receive your email, they will contact you soon and they will delete your account. So this is the method. There is no other method by which you can delete your account. So if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.